Hi everyone, my name is Julia and I work here at the Functional Medicine Center of Fort Collins with Dr. Galyardt. Today's topic will be on how stabilizing your blood sugar levels leads to stabilized moods. You've probably heard that depression and other mental health issues are often caused by a lack of brain chemicals such as serotonin, GABA, and dopamine. Conventional treatment is to give medication that essentially tricks your brain into believing that it has enough of these chemicals. But new research actually shows that many mental health issues are related to chronic inflammation, not necessarily lack of chemicals. And at the root of chronic inflammation for many people is often unstable blood sugar. So how does inflammation cause mood issues? Well, when your body is chronically inflamed, it sends chemical messengers to the brain where they basically activate the brain's immune cells or glial cells. So chronic inflammation leads to permanent activation of those glial cells and in turn sets off a cascade of destruction. You get reduced production of those brain chemicals that we discussed earlier. Your brain cells can't produce enough vital energy to thrive, and your cells in turn start to degrade and die, releasing toxins into the brain and causing even more damage. All of these things can result in depression, anxiety, and even Alzheimer's. So how does blood sugar factor into all of this? Well, when you're looking at fixing these issues, what you need to do is manage the destructive inflammatory cascade. At the core of systemic inflammation for many people is often blood sugar imbalance. So when we're eating too many carbs, when we're eating too many sugars, your body basically overproduces insulin, which is a hormone that helps escort glucose or sugar to your cells for energy. Too much insulin in the blood exhausts the cells and results in them becoming resistant to the insulin. This leads to excess glucose in your bloodstream, which is extremely damaging to the tissues in the blood vessels and in the brain, and can also be a precursor to diabetes. So how can you keep your blood sugar balanced? By keeping your blood sugar balanced, you're helping reduce the inflammatory cascade that creates brain inflammation. You can start to do dietary and lifestyle changes that you can incorporate day to day in your life. Make sure when you are having breakfast that you're eating something high in protein. Try and eat every 3 to 4 hours. When you're craving sugars, you can have snacks that are high in protein, high in good fats like olive oil and coconut oil. Even exercising regularly 4 to 5 times a week will help keep those blood sugar levels stable. So certain botanicals are highly effective in helping manage blood sugar and reducing that brain inflammation. If you have any questions at all about this topic, we would love to hear your questions. We would love to answer them. Please go ahead and call us at 970-282-1173. Thanks.